Hello everyone, I will show you how to create a landing page for CPA offers and ClickBank for free. Go to bio.in.link, create an account, create a project, give a name for your project. Here you can manage your links. Create a link. Give a name, title for your offer. And description. Copy and paste the title and the description in the SEO section. You can change the colors and the pictures of your landing page from here, or added a custom image. Then click update. Now go to the links, click create. You can create more links or added YouTube review video or just text. Let's add a YouTube video. Go to your YouTube review video, copy the link and paste it here. Click added video. You can change the order of your sections from here. Make the video first, then the link of the offer. Click to modify. Put your destination link, your offer link. For example, if you want the visitor to be redirected in the same page, don't touch this one. If you want the offer page to open a new link, activate this one. Give a name for your link. You can add a custom image or an icon for your link. Just search for Found Awesome on Google. Click icons. You'll find it like this one. or enter the website and search for your icon. Here it is. Copy the code, paste it here. All we need is this one. Copy this part and paste it again. You can change the background of the text. After you finish, click update. Sorry, I have mistake. Here it is. The icon must be as this, like this format. Let's try our link. And this is how our link will look like. A video review and a buy button. You can use this link on Facebook or Google Ads or everywhere without any problem or ban. And this is how it will look like in the mobile phone. All you need is to be creative to create the perfect landing page. You can collect mails also. But you'll need a mailchimp API and the account in the mailchimp. It's not free. I hope you use this service. It's free. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.